Greetings, my wonderful people on YouTube. This is Rob Scallion here from my home studio in beautiful San Antonio, Texas. And tonight I'm going to be sharing with you a list of websites that offer regular work to writers. So if you think you have the gift of the gab and you can write pretty fast, these websites combined together should keep you busy for a few hours every day and put a handsome amount of money in your pocket every month. Isn't that awesome? Let's get started, but before I do that, I need to tell you that these websites aren't going to pay you a lot of money per article. It's more about a regular stream of work and not so much about crazy per article prices. So you have to keep working on many articles a day on these websites, and they are going to pay anywhere between $3 and $10 to beginner writers. And once you have some ratings and reviews, you would move up the ladder and the pay per article is going to increase and go all the way up to $100 or more. So yes, with these websites, speed is everything. Now I have a separate video with a list of websites that offer more premium wages to writers. The workflow there would be a bit less, but the money is way more. If you haven't checked that video out already, you should. I'll leave a link down there in the description. Alright, let's now check out these websites. The first website that I'm going to be talking about is Narrato.io. It's a weird name, I know. But this is the website URL, Narrato.io. Here, you would be expected to submit a writing sample, or they might ask you to complete a test, write a couple of lines on a topic that they are going to be giving you, and then they are going to review your application, and if approved, you would be able to start taking up work from them immediately. And as usual, they pay via PayPal. Most of these websites that I'm going to be talking about actually pay via PayPal. The second one is SAWriters.net. This one also is very easy. They have a lot of work available. You simply have to scroll down here, click on this button that says sign up, and then you would be able to take up work immediately. Once again, these guys also have a test, alright? So you have to complete that test. The third website is iWriter.com. This is one website I remember I made really a lot of money because their fourth level is probably called Elite Writers. So once you become an elite writer, the pricing is really great. They pay like $100 to $150 for 500 words. But the quality of your writing needs to be really good. So this is another website where you can come, and here you can see that there's a button that says write content. You can click on that and you can start writing for them. The next one is HireWriters.com. These guys don't pay a lot of money, but they do have a lot of work available. Because you can see that this is what these guys are charging their customers. So it's not a lot of money, but still, as I mentioned earlier, none of these websites are going to be making you a millionaire. The whole purpose here is to stay afloat, and these guys are going to send regular work to you. And you can come here and you can register here, or you can click on this button that says get paid to write, and you can get started immediately. Then the next one is Textbroker.com. This is very famous. And they are very particular about whom they take in. So I cannot say with a guarantee that anyone who applies here would be taken in. But this is a good website and they pay good money, and they have a regular stream of work available. So you just have to come here and you have to click on this button that says I write content. And these guys are also going to want to look at what kind of writing you are capable of. So they are going to want to look at your samples or ask for a writing assignment. You have to complete a writing assignment. And then the next one is ForWriters.net. These guys are pretty easy as well. So you just have to come here and you click on this button that says sign up. And that's it. You can start working on orders immediately. The next one is freelancercareers.org, and you just have to click on the sign up button here. And once again, they are going to be asking for a writing sample, or you have to complete a writing assignment, which isn't very difficult. So if you are a good writer, if you know how to put together words and spin magic with words, then it shouldn't be very difficult for you to do that. And then the next one is livingstoneresearch.com. These guys are more into research-oriented writing. Their payment structure is a bit better compared to the other websites that I talked about earlier. And here you would be expected to write research articles, which are going to be more time-consuming, and hence the payments are a bit better than the other ones. But they pay on time, and there's a lot of work available. So that's livingstoneresearch.com. The next one is platinumresearch.co.uk. pretty much like the Livingstone Research website, these guys are also into academic writing. So you would be expected to write postgraduate stuff or PhD stuff and do a lot of research and then submit your articles. The payouts are comparatively better when we compare them to the other websites that we talked about earlier. You just have to come to the website, which is platinumresearch.co.uk, and you can come here and you can simply create your account and start taking your projects. And then the next one is constantcontent.com. Once again, this is a very, very famous website, constantcontent.com, but they are not going to be taking in everyone. They would like to see your sample. They would like to take a look at what you are capable of doing with words. And then they are going to accept you as a writer. But once you sign up, you are going to be getting regular work. And the payouts are a little bit better compared to the first couple of websites that we talked about. The next website is uvocorp.com. This earlier used to be available in a different name. They've changed the name now. And this is one company that actually accepts writers from all corners of the globe, and their payouts are not very bad. You can see here that they offer $15 per page written by an ESL writer, meaning if your second language is English, and $26 per page completed by a native writer. So the payouts are really good. And once again, you can come here and click on the register button here or here and get started. And this is the last one that I will be talking about. It's called academyresearch.com. Now, I used to work on this website regularly a long time back. These guys are very old. But what I have realized is their payments have not, increased over the years very much. So that's something to keep in mind. But then regular work is available. This is also more into research-oriented stuff that you would be writing for graduates and PhDs and people like that. So a little bit of time-consuming work here. But they have regular work, and you can really make a good amount of money working on this platform. So that's pretty much about the websites that offer you work on a regular basis without having to pay anything for sign-up. There are other websites that offer you regular work, but there you have to pay a little amount of money towards membership fees. But these websites don't require you to pay anything. And since you are starting out, I do not recommend going to websites that ask for payment before you even actually start making money. Alright folks, go ahead, sign up on these websites and start making some money. Now, as mentioned earlier, speed is everything on these low-paying websites. So you gotta speed up your writing process, and that's easily doable if you shift to the speech-to-text format. You speak into your microphone and your computer does all the typing for you. Now, I have a separate video that shows you exactly how to do that, the gear you need, and the free and paid applications available for speech-to-text. You can write up to 300 words per minute. Go check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, show me some love, folks. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the little thumbs up icon there, and share the video with the rest of the mortal world. This is Rob here, signing off for now. Goodbye, sayonara, namaste, and God bless you.